Hello everyone, it's Mark Shalero, the owner of MS Classic Cars. We're out here today doing a quick start and run video on our 2006 Honda CRF 450X. It is about 50 degrees today. I was even a little bit hesitant to do this video simply because the new owner might just want to preserve the bike for what it is. This is an 18-year-old dirt bike that is essentially brand new. Right down to the 2005 date-coated tires, which coincides with the build date of the bike. Again, it's like new. It really has never been used. So when we originally were going to do this, we wanted to make sure we flushed the fuel, the coolant, the oil, and so forth. But after further inspection, none of that really needed to be done. The antifreeze looked great. The fuel smelled good. The oil was obviously clean, so the prior owner clearly took care of this. Even the air cleaner was spotless. So all that we had to do is put a brand new battery in it, which we did yesterday. We fired it up for the first time. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for you here today. I'll pull the choke, let it idle just for a minute. I'll switch it down and just give it a few revs so you can hear it run. Please keep in mind, if the new owner decides that he or she wants to use this bike, it definitely is going to need to be dialed in a little bit regarding the carburetor, okay? We have not done any adjustments to this whatsoever. This is just a fresh kind of video here we're doing today. So I'm going to go ahead and start it for you. Again, this is electric choke. See it fires right up. Still a little cold. I think that's enough to show you. It's in great working order. I'll go ahead and shut it off. That's all there is to it. We appreciate you watching. Thank you.